Really? All right, I guess we're doing a test. I'm bringing in the Mini. Today's the day. It's the day of reckoning. Am I milking the melodrama enough? Here we go. Well, a few months ago, we released a video about how to lower the noise level of your ResMed AirMini portable CPAP machine. This is a really popular unit, the most popular travel CPAP out there. But one thing that we hear quite a bit is that it's too noisy for some users, either for them or their bed partner. So we wanted to help you out. We put some tips on a video explaining how you could dampen the sound, lower the sound levels overall to give you a more peaceful, restful night's sleep, because that's what we're here for, to help you guys sleep better. So today, we're going to put those tips to the test. We're gonna run a sound test with a bare bones unit like this, which is how you would see it out of the box, and includes the Humid X filter. By the way, this is often the perpetrator, how this lets air leaks out of it. And then second, we're gonna do all the tips and see what difference that they make to the overall level of noise. So as a reminder, here were the 4 tips that we covered on that previous video. Number 1, you can use a tubing adapter. Instead of this ResMed one here, you can use this, and that will allow you to use a standard tube, bypass the Humid X filter altogether, go straight into the unit. All right, and if that doesn't help all by itself, then we have a muffler. Using the q-lite muffler here, we just dampen the sound overall. And if that's not enough, we now have a VCOM. This will just make the sound more consistent, reducing the extremities of the noise. A more consistent sound while you sleep helps it to feel less disruptive. And last but not least, this last tip is pretty dirty. And no, don't get excited, we're talking filters. If you have a dirty filter in your AirMini, it can make a whistling sound, so just making sure you have a clean filter when you use it also will help your overall level of noise. Now, you think this isn't gonna make a difference? Let's find out. Wow, guys, that was pretty good. We just added 3 little accessories in and of themselves. You might not think much, but put together, set up in this way, it made it about like 20% quieter from how it was when we first started. All these accessories are of course available on RespShop.com. They're not gonna set you back much. Honestly, I recommend if you use the AirMini and you do find it's too noisy, grab them. What's a good night of sleep worth? Certainly a lot more than what these will set you back. So go check it out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're doing more videos like this, weekly content for you. Of course, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.